Hey guys, so I am back here at the Dollar Tree. I hope you are doing well. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. I am Sway to the 99. So I did come to the Dollar Tree because I do need some essentials. I'm basically looking for eggs and just some canned beans or any type of beans. So I'm gonna figure, let me just do a quick walkthrough, show you guys what is still here or what's left at the Dollar Tree. So with that, let's get started. All right, so still lots of frozen fruits, which is great, and frozen veggies. I am not seeing any type of eggs, unfortunately for me. But ooh, they do have some hash browns. So I'm like, oh, I could almost make a full breakfast. Oh, they have codfish fish if you are a fish eater. Let's see. Yeah, I tried those before. I did not like them. I would definitely say pass on those. And let's look over here. Mac and cheese bites. Ooh, that looks interesting. And mini bagel pizzas. Ooh. Okay, these, I don't think these have sold. I remember since these been out, these have not moved. Oh, what is that? Mini Jamaica brand spicy beef patties. That's interesting. So I'm not a meat eater, so I personally wouldn't be purchasing those. However, I'm just showing you guys what is here. So you may wanna, if you are in need of something or need some snacks for the kids, definitely come to your local Dollar Tree and pick some up. Ooh, okay, they have the Southwest style chicken fajita bowl. Not bad. Okay, so I've heard some not so great reviews about these dark chocolate dipped bananas. People have said that they don't actually taste very good, so I'm definitely gonna pass on those. So, all right. Well, if you need ice cream, they're definitely still stocked. So, all right, let's go check out the dry food section and then move on to some, I guess, fun items. So, all right, let's continue on with the walkthrough. You guys, it is my lucky day. I was walking by and I saw the stock lady putting stuff out, and I was like, hey, do you have any eggs? And she literally had a giant box of eggs. So lucky me, mission accomplished. I got my eggs, so I feel like my trip was worth it. And I did grab two because these don't expire until April 7th, so I am sure I can get pretty much consume those within the next couple of days. Oh, you guys, so they have the coconut milk. I think I'm gonna get some to make some type of curry dish this week. Oh, and they also have the coconut flakes. This is actually a really good item to throw into smoothies or even your oatmeal in the morning. Just trying to think of things to include in morning routines, especially now since many of us are, but for the most part, staying home. And yes, I am doing walkthroughs. However, just if anyone is wondering, I am using these constantly. I'm wiping down my shopping cart and washing my hands before and after I do walkthroughs. So I am trying to be just more careful, and also keeping a distance from other shoppers, just to just make sure everybody has a little bit of a distance between one another. So oh yeah, oh, I love these actually. Just trying to think of things that we can include or give to the little ones, especially since most kids are probably home for the unforeseeable future. So, all right, let's continue on and see what else we can find here at the Dollar Tree. So I actually bought a pack of these during my last walkthrough, and they were actually really, really good. So I'm definitely going to get some more today, so I can make some breakfast burritos in the morning. I don't think this is the one I got. Okay. Well, either way, this brand is actually really good, so definitely gonna pick up again some today. And there is still some pasta left, and ooh, they have chicken noodle soups. So there's still some stock here left at the Dollar Tree. So I'm definitely gonna get one of these. This is definitely gonna last a while. And again, just trying to think of things that we can purchase that's shelf stable and will definitely last you for a long time. So even if you don't use it right away, it'll still be good for another time. And it doesn't hurt to keep a couple of these in stock. Gatorades, you never know, you might just need a little extra hydration. And they have plenty here, not different flavors, but just pretty much just a lot of inventory, which is good. So again, just looking for essentials. So if you guys need some, check out your local Dollar Tree. Oh, look, couponing for a cause. They have your favorite, Star Wars. It's in checks. I don't know if you like checks, but it's Star Wars, so maybe you do. Anyway, They have plenty here at the store at the Dollar Tree, so I think I may get a bag just to snack on. Because I actually don't, so believe it or not, I actually don't have a lot of like snacks like this at home. So I think this is definitely a good item to have, especially at night after, you know, working from home and watching a little Netflix. A little snack wouldn't hurt anybody. So I'm going to grab one of these for today. And I spoke to Sue in the Gatorade. I actually just walked into the beverage aisle and there's plenty of Gatorade in different flavors. So yay us. This is definitely a good, again, a good item to keep in stock. You know, just something to keep you hydrated, and it's only $1, so you definitely get a good deal. I think I'm gonna get one of these. I like the blue one the best. All right, let's see if there's any new frames here. Our nest is best. I'm not gonna go too thoroughly. Things haven't really been stocked, and I just wanted to at least just show you guys a little bit of the non-essentials, just some of the fun items that they have. I know many of you are home, so since I did make the trip out looking for eggs, which I couldn't find, I figured might as well just, you know, share with you guys what I am seeing here at the Dollar Tree. Oh, those are cute though. And of course we do have our Aim to Inspire and Home Sweet Home signs. Oh, those are cute. Home is where my dog is. My favorite. People have, I want to say it has paws. Yes. Very cute. And let's look over here. Little one. Oh, look, they have a little dinosaur. RJ Olives. And let's look at this one. Oh, that one's cute. The little A. And is this B? Yes. The B and probably the C. Yep. Very cute. Alright, I think this is it for the frames, so let's see what else we can find here at the Dollar Tree. And you guys can tell this is the Dollar Tree that I visit that has a book section that is really messy, so I am not definitely going to try to mess around with these books today. But let's just quickly glance and see if there's anything that's of interest. Oh, In Time of Comfort. Of course, we have the Bible. It says Find Peace in Faith. And yeah, lots of other books I don't really be touching. But again, I just wanted to show you guys that there is some books. So if you guys are bored or need some kind of entertainment, the Dollar Tree definitely has lots of books you can check out, because I think most libraries are closed at this point. So yeah. And just a couple of things to keep the kids entertained. Ooh, what's this? The golf thing? That's cool. I know these are probably like standard toys, but again, if you are making the trip out to the Dollar Tree, just think of, you know, little things you can pick up for your kids, just to keep them entertained. And ooh, puzzles. I'm like, I don't know any kid who does puzzles anymore. Maybe that's just like an older thing, like anyone born in the 80s and 90s or before. I just don't know if kids now would be doing puzzles, but if they are, let me know. Maybe I could include one in a future giveaway. And some more arts. Ooh, this is arts and crafts, so let's check out. Again, thinking of things to give to the little ones to keep them entertained while you're working at home, or if you're just, you know, at home, keep them entertained and out of your hair. Oh, look, Gigi, they have the little owl. Really cute. Ooh, Toy Story 4. Oh, you guys, okay, so I just signed up for Disney Plus, so I'm so excited. I have not seen Toy Story 4, so now I'm definitely going to be able to check it out. Okay, so now it's time for some arts and crafts. Oh, look at these. Oh my god, this used to be, I know it's such a simple toy, but this thing used to be one of my favorite things growing up. Alright guys, and continuing on with the arts and crafts. So if you are a crafter, I'm sure you guys know what kind of stock they have, but I typically don't visit the craft section, but they're fully stocked. So if you are in need of supplies and you happen to be out, they're fully stocked. So all right, let's see what is on this side. And ooh, paint. I'm like, you know what, you guys, I may have to take up some painting or something, you know, just as a little hobby while I am home, because I fortunately for me, my job allows me to work from home, especially now where, you know, there's just a lot of limited ability to be out and about. So I'm very thankful for that. Oh yeah, I remember seeing these. These are really cute, the little pineapples and the porcupines. Really cute. So there's definitely lots of things that you can purchase here at the Dollar Tree to keep yourself and your kids entertained. Oh, look at these butterflies. Wow, they have, I'm not gonna touch it, but look, they have like the little, they stand out, so those are really, really cute. Wow. Oh look, they have new decals. This one says capture. I like this, reminds me of the old style Instagram. And it says oh snap. And yeah, this one says XO. Yeah. And look, you guys, they have these beautiful angels that say faith, peace, and dream. Again, not essentials, but since I'm here, I might as well scope things out. These are really beautiful. So if you guys need just a little something to add to your home decor, they definitely have plenty in stock. So definitely check out your local Dollar Tree if you happen to be out. Again, I'm not encouraging anyone to go out and about. I'm simply here because I do need some essentials, but also decided to just do a walkthrough. So I know some of you may make some comments in the comment section, so I just wanted to put that out there. Are they seriously starting to put out Halloween already? This is hilarious. That is funny. They have Halloween glow sticks out already. Wow, this is like fast. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it's just by accident or leftovers, but I haven't seen them anywhere else yet, so maybe it's just, I don't know, maybe it's leftovers, but I don't know, it just caught my attention. Well, I guess if you are at the Dollar Tree, this is the perfect time to check out your gardening section because they've restocked all of the figurines that I know many of us were looking for and just going crazy for. So there is definitely plenty in stock now, and this one definitely seems new to me. I have not seen this little guy before, so they definitely seem to have a couple of new items. And they do have these little beautiful stones with the little glitter. But I think we've seen these before. But anyway, these are back at the Dollar Tree. And I just wanted to quickly show you guys the items that I am picking up. So I was craving some Pepsi, so I did grab one of these. I'm debating on whether to get more of the Gatorade. And as you saw, I did grab the Chex. And of course, my thing for quarantinis, 2 cartons of eggs. And this is, I know this is the most random thing, but I actually do need this for my chairs at home, because the other ones were running out or just wearing out. So anyway, I picked that up, and of course my tortillas. The only thing I could not find is any canned beans, so I'm hoping I can find that at the 99-cent only store. Otherwise I'll continue searching. Maybe, I don't know. Anyway, I'll continue searching. But anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. I will be back on Wednesday, I promise, for my cooking video. I do have an idea, and I just did not have a chance to film. So anyway, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you on the next one.